Hello everyone, this is Amy. In English, a verb like to look stays exactly the same whether it's your friend or a CEO looking. But in Korean, updating the verb adds a warm touch of respect. It's not about complex rules or code formality. It's simply a natural linguistic habit that keeps everyday communication feeling comfortable and balanced. When you want to show a little extra politeness to a teacher or a client, you simply slide the honorific marker she directly into the middle of your verb. Let's practice our first polite verb transformation. Listen closely. 보시다. Repeat after me. 보시다. Now let's practice the polite verb transformation for waiting. Listen closely. 기다리시다. Repeat after me. 기다리시다. Mastering this internal habit isn't about walking on eggshells. It's just a warm, natural tool that keeps your conversations in Seoul flowing perfectly. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart, talk happy. See ya!